Packing doesn't have to be stressful. Today we're sharing 25 genius packing hacks that'll save space, save time, and make your travels way easier. Let's get started. Number 1. Roll your clothes. Don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only saves space, it reduces wrinkles. This is the number 1 pro traveler hack. Number 2. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes keep everything organized and compress clothes. You'll never go back once you try them. Number 3. The bundle wrap method for dress clothes. To avoid wrinkles on your nicer outfits, use the bundle wrap method, layering clothes around a soft center. Number 4. Use shoe space for small items. Don't waste shoe space, fill them with socks, chargers, or small items. Number 5. Pack a laundry bag. A small laundry bag keeps your clean and dirty clothes separate, and your suitcase smelling fresh. Next up is number 6. Use a pill organizer for jewelry, vitamins, earbuds, SIM cards, and tiny essentials. Number 7. Bring a refillable travel toiletry set. Save space and avoid leaks with refillable silicone bottles. Number 8. Use plastic wrap under liquid lids. Place plastic wrap between the lid and the bottle to prevent spills in your toiletry bag. Number 9. Put your heaviest items near the wheels. This keeps your suitcase from tipping over and makes rolling easier. Number 10. Use the first day bag trick. Pack one small pouch with everything you need for the first 24 hours so you don't dig through your suitcase after a long flight. Number 11. Pack a portable luggage scale. This prevents overweight fees and last-minute airport repacking nightmares. Number 12. Put outfits in zip bags for kids. This is perfect for families. Pack complete kids' outfits in labeled zip bags for hassle-free mornings. Number 13. Use dryer sheets in your suitcase. Dryer sheets keep clothes smelling fresh the entire trip. Bring a collapsible water bottle. Hydrate without the space. These flatten down almost completely. Number 15. Use a sunglasses case for cables. A hard sunglasses case keeps cords organized and protected. Number 16. Pack a compact power strip. In hotels with limited outlets, a mini power strip is a lifesaver. Number 17. Put socks in between breakables. Use socks as padding around souvenirs or fragile items. Next up, number 18. Pack a small emergency kit. Include pain relievers, bandages, stomach meds, and any essentials you might need. Number 19. Wear your bulkiest clothes on the plane. This saves huge space in your suitcase, especially in winter. Number 20. Use a carabiner to hang items externally. Clip water bottles or small pouches to your bag for quick access. Number 21. Keep all essentials in your carry-on. Never check medications, chargers, valuables, or the first aid kit. Always keep these with you. Number 22. Pack multi-use clothing. Choose pieces that mix and match well, cutting your wardrobe in half. Number 23. Use a shower cap for shoes. This cheap trick keeps dirty soles away from your clothes. Number 24. Place a copy of your itinerary inside your bag. If your luggage gets lost, airport staff can identify it quickly. And finally, at number 25, leave a little space for souvenirs. Always leave room. You'll thank yourself later when you start shopping. So there you have it. Try these 25 genius packing hacks and your next trip will be smoother than ever. Please like, subscribe, and comment to this video, and check out our other travel tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.